I'm making a coffee because we really need a coffee, and you want a coffee, and we've got these really cool High Country TV cups, so we're going to put something in them. Oh, that's good. It's not quiet, but my brother taught me that when you're doing the milky frothy thing, it's not really supposed to sound like you're strangling 1,000 jet engines.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting quote from the brother.
He didn't quote that, I just made that bit up. He said it's not supposed to make noise. Where are we, Joe? We're on Greville Street. We're in South Melbourne.
Downtown Woods Point.
Yeah, we're not even downtown Woods, we're a bit further than downtown. We're down,
Yeah, downtown.
down and down a bit more.
Downstream Woods Point.
Downstream, yeah, it's probably more like it. Do you want a picture of it?
I'll do it after.
Oh. See this little map of... Oh, maybe it's... This one up. There we go. This is for you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Eat sugar.
Need sugar. Yeah.
You did ask. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Welcome to
Yeah.
High Country TV. Today we're coming from the iconic Woodspoint Pub.
It's lunchtime, it's
That's right.
busy Sunday afternoon in Woodspoint. Here comes the magic, the peak hour traffic.
This is it.
Yeah.
I wonder if we'll stop at the traffic lights today.
Yeah. There is a stop sign up there.
There is indeed. So today we're going to travel from Woodspoint. We're going to head down into the
Walhalla.
Walhalla four-wheel driving area, which
Yeah.
is pretty iconic for, I guess, people that live in Victoria and, you know, even come from interstate.
Yeah, somewhere between Aberfeldy and Walhalla, and on the other side of the main road from the dam.
Yeah, and our end goal today is to have some good four-wheel driving, do a few river crossings, see a few huts, and probably have some lunch out and
Hopefully not
get stuck anywhere.
Yeah,
like
hopefully not cook the eggs.
last time we went out four-wheeling.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's
Where did we get stuck?
you did. We used a big road.
Oh yeah, but that was.
Hopefully you
that was
guys
a
have
little
watched
bit
that.
Stuck. It was only a little bit stuck. We're out of shot.
So,
I was only a little bit stuck.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
big shout out to our sponsors, Penrite Oil,
Yeah.
making this possible.
thank you.
Keep in mind, you can go to penriteoil.com.au for any oil recommendations, or you can download the Product Selector app,
Yeah.
and you can just use Rego Search on the Product Selector app or on the penriteoil.com.au Rego Search function.
Or just go to a Penrite retailer, ask them. They've got all the information. They've got access to all those websites and apps as well, so they can help you out a lot too.
They do, and they go through all the usual channels, all your automotive
Yep.
outlets. So yes, Penrite Oil, established 1926, 98 years strong, family owned, Australian owned, and make fantastic products. Been
Yeah.
using them myself for over 30 years.
Yeah.
Get on board.
They're great.
All right, come along with us as we go that way today. We know which way we're going. We're going that way,
Yeah. And
And
then
then
we're
we're
going to
gonna
go that way.
that way?
And then we go that way. And then we go that way.
and then we're going to end over that way.
That way, and then that way, and that way, and that way,
Yeah.
and that way, and that way, that way, and then we stand. And
So-
there should be, when we finish doing all the ways that we're going, there should be a big dam behind us.
There, if everything's gone to plan,
Yeah.
there will be a big damn wall.
Yeah,
Correct.
which we could insert in here. And if it isn't, then you know we didn't get there.
Awesome.
Bye-bye. Okay, Woods Point. This is the old Golden Fleece servo. Original pumps. You don't buy fuel here anymore. One, they're locked. Two, nobody's selling it to you. And three, they're a bit decrepit. And I probably wouldn't trust any fuel that's left in the tanks anyway, because it's, you know, probably 100 years old. They'll be full of all sorts of stuff. But that's how it is. I have actually bought fuel here about 20, 30 years ago. Yeah, it was a bit dirty. Cool, thank you.
Driving down O'Keefe's track, and as you can see from the footage, my goodness, it is freaking steep, man. So I guess note to all, what I would suggest you do is, if you come and give it a go, maybe look at the weather conditions and come down in the dry, because I think this would be a little bit more challenging in the wet. Just a little bit of a tip for beginners. We're doing this, it's probably a 25 degree day again, Celsius, which Americans about 85 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. I'll put the weather in here. and I'll also show you whereabouts on the map we actually are. But O'Keefe's track basically heads south from the Walhalla Road and heads down towards, well, basically inland towards O'Toole's Flat. So again, I'll show you on the map. I'll insert the map about now. And everything around this Walhalla region is steep. Whether you're going to go down a hill or up a hill, you go from very high elevation to very low elevation very quickly, and it is steep. So yeah, be advised that really it's okay for beginners, don't get me wrong, but if you're a beginner and want to come out here and play, do it in the dry and use low range. Don't rely on your brakes. First gear low range down hills, minimal brakes, you'll have no dramas. Just a hot tip.
Well, it looks like the fun one. It's just going to test out the jerry can holder and how strong it is, because I reckon I'll bottom it out when I get down there. The creek's not a problem.
What did you think of that track, Mr. Ken?
That was
O'Keefe's track.
Well, being that the map had that one as the least steep, it wasn't marked as steep. The other tracks that we thought about coming down, Pluto track and Spud's Spur track, had steep and very steep.
They did, and I figure that steep is steep because you would put it on a map. So if that's not steep, the steep must be steep.
And the very steep must be like abseiling.
The very steep must be
Windrope abseiling steep.
I don't know. The very steep. Let's not think about that too much.
No.
So we're going to stop here anyway. We're at the little creek crossing at the bottom of the track.
Yeah.
And have some lunch.
Yeah. And I don't think we're getting back up out of the creek.
We're not going back the way we came.
Up the track I could do in the dry, but the XL7's not coming back out of the creek that way.
No.
Where we came in.
No. So we're going to continue on that way.
Not without a winch.
If we go that way, which is where we come from, not so good.
Yeah. So, I suppose we don't know what the rest of the track's like. It could be just as bad the other way going back up.
It could
because
be.
we're down pretty low and we were up really high. Like, we're probably about 1,200 metres. We didn't check the height, but we came down, which is how many feet again for our American viewers?
What was it? 1,400 metres is about 4,700 feet, which is a pimple.
Right, okay.
Little pimple for
Little
you guys,
pimple,
but it's big for an Australian.
Yeah.
Mountain.
It's not like nice traction rock stuff. It's slippery. I mean, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
It's one of the better tracks I've come down. Like, normally we're sliding down them, aren't we?
Yeah.
It'd be bad in the winter in the snow.
Yep.
Because that'd be ice. It's on the.
It would
it's on the icy side of the hill that never gets sunlight.
Cool. So we're going to keep going after we have lunch and film some more.
That way, and yeah.
Hopefully you're enjoying the vid. down, Cameron. Come to the next spoon drain. What a day!
What a day.
What a day, magnificent.
Thank you, Mr. Jamie.
Thank you, Mr. Ken.
Sorry for getting us lost a few times.
That way. That's okay. We're here a bit later than we expected, but that's all right. We are at the Thompson Dam, end of the day.
Yeah.
We said we would be at a dam somewhere, and we're at the Thompson Dam, so we made it.
We would have got you a really beautiful sunset shot, but
We're about 10 minutes late.
yeah. Well, no, it's there, but the clouds came over.
And we're 10 minutes late. That's right.
Well, yeah. All right.
Awesome. Hopefully you've enjoyed the vid. Please give us a like. Big thumbs up. That helps us grow the channel, believe it or not.
Yeah.
Subscribe to us if you like the content, and share us with your friends if you really like the content. That'll be even more favourable. Big shout out to our major sponsor, Penrite Oil.
Yep.
Coming on board for 2024.
It got here.
It's
with all the problems. It got here.
Rattly or not.
Yeah.
Mine, anyway.
Yeah, yours doesn't matter.
But yeah, major shout out to Penrite Oil. Thanks a lot. Just remember to check out their website, penriteoil.com.au.
Yep.
Rego search is on the front homepage, so you can look up all the fluids for your cars, and they have a couple of apps for phones. So go to, if you've got an Apple phone or an Android product, you can go to your Play Store. What's it called? Play Store for you?
App Store for the Apple phone.
App Store for the Apple, and the Play Store for the Google
Play
Android.
Store. Oh, Play Store.
It's called the Penrite Product Selector app. So
Yep.
go and download it. It's free, costs you nothing, and you can use the Rego search.
Just buy 10 of each. You'll use it eventually.
What, 10 phones?
No, 10 of the
10 of the products? Oh, you can do that.
Products.
Hey, there's always specials coming up at some of the major outlets.
Just buy 10 of each of everything. You'll be fine.
Yeah,
You'll eventually use it. Yes, you don't have a two-stroke, but one day.
exactly.
Jamie,
I need a boat.
I need a boat.
Maybe we need a boat. I don't think you can go on
You're
there with a
allowed
boat.
to go.
No.
Let's just look at it. Man, wow.
Spectacular.
Thompson.
And it's full.
Thompson Dam, isn't it?
It's the Thompson Dam, yes.
Yeah.
Melbourne's water catchment.
Yeah.
Feeds a few of the other dams.
It's full.
It
I
is.
haven't seen it this full for a long time.
I haven't either.
Yeah. So, well worth the trip.
It is. And you can either go up to the hills for driving, or you can visit the little local town Walhalla, and you can do the train ride, or you can go to the local lolly shop that's there, or have a coffee with the locals.
Yep.
It's a fantastic place.
And get into Woods Point, that's where we started this
Go
morning.
up to Woods Point. Yeah, the local police
pretty good.
officer was having a coffee in the pub.
Yes, it was
this
a
morning.
coffee. We made
He
sure
was
of
definitely
that.
having a coffee.
Yeah. We
So-
drank his beer for it. No.
No.
No, he was having a coffee, and you can get coffee there and food. It's pretty good too.
Good to see plenty of people out and about too. There was plenty of four-wheel drives around.
Yep.
And the place that we camped last night, rubbish free. Got to say, it was clear. So
Yep.
remember, pick up other people's rubbish as well. If you see it, just pick it up, take it out. Doesn't matter. Doesn't cost you anything to dump it. So
Yeah, definitely. And they all, it wasn't loud and horrible and obnoxious.
no.
It was one guy having a good laugh, but good on him.
So stay tuned for 2024. We got plenty of videos coming up. Sorry, it's been a bit of a delay, but there's been some things happening in the background, unforeseen circumstances. So as we've said in a previous episode, probably 12 trips, but 12 big trips. So they'll probably turn into a lot of videos, because we're not going to be able to just film and do a trip in a day.
Well,
it's impossible.
12 big trips or like 8 big trips and maybe 4 not so big?
Now they're all big trips. This was a big trip.
All right. So
12 big
for all of my customers, sorry I can't tile your house, but he's got me driving around the country.
Yeah, yeah,
Well,
we're
around the
going
state.
from here to there and round and back and to here.
Yeah,
We're here.
You feel free to pay me still, that's fine.
Loving it. Thanks again for the
it's all good.
subscribers. We appreciate your support. Give us a like, give us a share, subscribe to the channel. It's free, costs you nothing,
Yeah.
helps us grow as well. And
most of all,
get out there,
and explore
camp,
and
relax.
Relax.
We will see you on the next vid.
Yeah.
Thanks for tuning in.
Hopefully soon. Thank you.